Okay, so now first step is of course you're going to expand, and you know the logic. You cannot take the x plus 1 and multiply with the x here simply because you don't know whether this x plus 1 here is positive or negative. If this is negative, you have to change this inequality sign. So that's why you cannot take the denominator and multiply here. Since it's a fraction in this format, and you know that the x value cannot be negative 1. If it is negative 1, then it will be something like a polynomial divided by 0. It's definitely undefined, right? So take a note here. You remember that x cannot be negative 1, and you're not going to multiply the denominator with the x. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the x and then we're going to bring it over here. So x squared minus x. So rearrange. Okay, so you got until here, right? So at this level, I'm going to ask you to interpret the meaning of more than 0. So more than 0 means what? Positive. Okay, this is positive. So remember that. What are you doing to these two so that when you divide, you will get a positive? So let's recall your basic concept. So something positive divided by something positive, it's equal to positive. It also works for negative divided by negative, which is going to be positive. So what is the meaning of positive? Something that is greater than 0. What is the meaning of negative? Something that is less than 0. So we have two scenarios to consider now. Okay, case 1 and then case 2. So it's two scenarios, I said, right? So case 1 or case 2. Option can be this or that. So now let's write for this. So if you are considering case 1 to be this, I want the upper part to be positive and the down one to be positive. And this one positive and this one also positive. So let's write here. Negative 2x more than 0 and x plus 1 is more than 0. So let's write for case 2, which is this, both being negative. So negative 2x is less than 0 and x plus 1 is less than 0. So let's solve. You have two scenarios to consider now. So if I am solving this, my x is less than 0. Remember, you dividing by negative 2, you change the inequality sign. And then x is greater than negative 1. Now about this, x is more than 0 and x is less than negative 1. What is the meaning of n? N means intersection. Intersect. So let's see whether they intersect or not. You draw your number line. You put your negative 1 here, you put your 0 here. So x is going lesser and x is going greater. Oh, there is an intersection here. So keep first. So write your solution. And how about this? I'm going to draw the same number line, negative 1 and 0. So x is lesser than negative 1 and x is greater than 0. Is there any overlap? Is there any intersection? So no intersection means no solution over this side. So you get nothing from here. So bring the or here now. So you are telling, hey miss, I can take this solution from case 1 and I have no solution from case 2. Optional, right? Or. So your final answer is going to be negative 1 to 0. So that's how you solve case by case. So this is conceptual.